Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the bracelet, so the mesh watch bracelet on your Seiko watch. It can be an automatic, a quartz watch, it doesn't matter. So as you can see here, we have the bracelet and we have this system right here, this slide clasp that can be moved up and down. So what we are going to need is going to be a tool. For example, I'm going to use the spring bar removal tool that you can find in the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and you can insert this tool right here in order to lift this flap up just like this, and this way we can move it all the way on the other side, and now this part is going to move up and down. So as you can see, it is going to slide, and that is why it is also called a slide clasp. And then what you want to do is to push it back in. You might hear that snap, and voila, you have adjusted your clasp. Secondly, you can also use a flat screwdriver to insert it right here and lift this flap up, adjust it, and then put it back in. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to adjust your Seiko mesh bracelet. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.